of "Hey Lyra." It feels like we can't go a single day without hearing about AI these days. It's everywhere, right? And I think for a lot of people, that can feel a bit overwhelming, maybe even a little scary.
Absolutely, Jackson. I completely agree. There's so much noise, so many headlines predicting everything from robot overlords to utopia. But what I find really fascinating is how much of it boils down to practical, everyday opportunities that are actually accessible to everyone, not just tech giants.
Exactly. That's what I want to dive into today. Because beyond the hype, there are real, tangible ways AI is changing our lives for the better, creating new pathways in jobs, unlocking incredible creative potential, and honestly, just making things a lot more fun.
I mean, let's start with jobs, because that's often where the biggest anxieties lie. People worry about AI taking jobs, which is a valid concern. But it's also creating entirely new roles and augmenting existing ones in really powerful ways.
100%. Think about it. We've seen this pattern throughout history, right? New technologies emerge, and while some roles shift or become obsolete, a whole new ecosystem of jobs springs up around them. AI is no different. We're talking about prompt engineers, AI ethicists, data curators, AI trainers. These weren't even mainstream titles a few years ago.
Right. And it's not just about these brand new, highly specialized roles either. It's also about how AI is empowering existing professions. Take marketing, for instance. AI can analyze vast amounts of customer data in seconds, identifying trends and personalizing campaigns in ways a human team just couldn't do manually. So the marketer's job isn't gone, it's just evolved to be more strategic and less about crunching numbers.
That's a fantastic point. Or even in healthcare. AI isn't replacing doctors, but it's assisting them with diagnostics, sifting through medical literature, or even helping with drug discovery at an unprecedented pace. It frees up human experts to focus on the truly complex, empathetic aspects of their work.
Yeah, and I think a crucial part of this is understanding that AI is a tool. It's a really powerful tool, but it still requires human guidance, oversight, and creativity. So the opportunity for everyone isn't necessarily about becoming a coding wizard, but about understanding how to leverage these tools in your current role or in a new one.
Exactly. Like learning how to effectively prompt an AI, for example. That's a skill that's becoming increasingly valuable across so many industries. If you can articulate what you need from an AI, you're already ahead of the curve. It's almost like learning a new language, but one that makes your existing skills exponentially more powerful.
It's like having a super assistant who can draft emails, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, or even write code snippets for you. If you know how to ask the right questions, the possibilities are genuinely endless. And it applies to almost any field, from education to finance to customer service.
Okay, so we've talked about jobs, but let's shift gears to something I'm personally super excited about: creativity. For so long, people have viewed technology and creativity as almost opposing forces, but with AI, it feels like they're finally hand in hand.
Oh, completely. I've been dabbling with AI art generators, and it's mind-blowing. As someone who loves to draw but isn't a master painter, I can feed an AI a concept, say, a futuristic city skyline at sunset, rendered in the style of Van Gogh, and get something truly unique. It doesn't replace my artistic vision, but it helps me visualize and explore ideas I couldn't otherwise.
That's incredible. And it's not just visual art. Think about writing. For authors, AI can be an amazing brainstorming partner. Struggling with writer's block? Ask an AI for 10 plot twists for your fantasy novel, or 5 different character archetypes. It can generate first drafts, help with outlining, even refine your prose.
Exactly. It's like having an infinite number of junior copywriters or research assistants at your fingertips. And for musicians, AI can help with composition, generating melodies, trying out different instrumentations, or even mastering tracks. It democratizes the entire creative process, lowering the barrier to entry for people who might not have had access to expensive studios or extensive training.
That's what's truly revolutionary, I think. It's no longer just for professional artists or writers. Anyone with an idea can now bring it to life in ways that were unimaginable even a decade ago. Imagine a small business owner who needs engaging social media content but can't afford a full-time designer or copywriter. AI tools can generate images, captions, even short videos for them.
Or a student trying to create a presentation that really stands out. AI can help them design slides, generate relevant images, or even summarize complex topics into easily digestible bullet points. It's a huge time saver and a creativity enhancer.
It genuinely feels like a new era of artistic collaboration, where the collaborator happens to be a super-intelligent algorithm, and the beauty is, it frees up the human to focus on the higher-level conceptual thinking, the emotional core, the unique human perspective that AI can't replicate.
Yeah, AI doesn't have a soul, right? It doesn't feel or experience emotions the way we do, so it can't imbue a piece of art with genuine human pathos or joy. That's where we come in. We direct its incredible processing power to serve our emotional and creative intent.
Well said. Okay, so we've covered jobs and creativity, now for the fun stuff, literally. How is AI making our everyday lives more enjoyable, or just easier and more entertaining?
Oh, where do we even begin? For me, it's the personalization. Think about your streaming services, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube. The recommendation engines, powered by AI, are getting scarily good at suggesting new shows, artists, or videos you'll actually love. It's like having a personal curator for your entertainment.
Yes, and sometimes it's almost too good. I'll finish a series on Netflix, and before I've even thought about what to watch next, there's another perfect suggestion waiting for me. It's a testament to how AI understands our preferences, often better than we understand them ourselves.
Beyond entertainment though, think about smart home devices. Hey Google, turn on the lights. Alexa, play my morning playlist. These AI assistants, while simple on the surface, integrate seamlessly into our daily routines, making small tasks effortless and freeing up mental bandwidth.
And the gaming world. AI is making games more immersive, more challenging, and more dynamic. Non-player characters, or NPCs, are becoming more sophisticated, learning from player behavior and adapting. It creates a much richer, more engaging experience for gamers.
It's also in things like language learning apps. AI tutors can provide real-time feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary, making the learning process much more efficient and personalized. Or even fitness apps that use AI to create customized workout plans based on your progress and goals.
That's huge. I never really thought about how AI's role in a language app directly contributes to fun, but it absolutely does, by making a challenging task feel more manageable and rewarding. The progress feels faster, the feedback is instant, it keeps you motivated.
And what about things like AI-powered photography apps? They can enhance your photos with a tap, remove unwanted objects, or even generate artistic filters. It's a bit like having a professional photographer and editor in your pocket, making it fun to experiment and share really polished memories.
Totally. Or even planning a trip. AI tools can suggest itineraries, find the best deals on flights and hotels, and even translate languages in real time. It takes a lot of the stress out of travel planning, letting you just focus on enjoying the experience.
Yeah, so much of what we consider fun is about minimizing friction and maximizing enjoyment. AI is really good at doing that, automating the mundane, personalizing the experience, and generally making life a bit smoother.
It's a really interesting time to be alive, isn't it? We're seeing this massive technological shift, and it's not just for the engineers and the data scientists. It's truly for everyone in so many aspects of life.
And I think the key takeaway, for me, is that embracing AI doesn't mean you have to become an expert in machine learning. It means being open to learning how to use these tools, to experiment, to see how they can augment your own skills and make your life richer.
Absolutely. It's about curiosity. It's about asking, how can this help me, rather than, is this going to replace me? The opportunities are there, and they're expanding every single day. The more we lean into understanding and leveraging these advancements, the more we can thrive in this evolving landscape.
Exactly. So whether you're looking to boost your career, unleash your inner artist, or just have a more seamless and personalized daily experience, AI offers something for everyone. It's not a future that's coming, it's here, now, and it's exciting.
Well said, Lyra. It's been a truly insightful conversation, and I hope it sparks some curiosity in our listeners to explore what AI can do for them. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me, Jaxon. It's always a pleasure to demystify some of these big topics. To all our listeners, go forth and explore AI.